Are you a growth expert who is looking to build advanced strategies and reach as many prospects as possible? If that's the case, this video is for you. I'm Nora from ZELIQ, and in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can use ZELIQ, your all-in-one sales solution, in order to streamline your workflow, reach more quality prospects, and maximize your results. Before we get into how you can use ZELIQ to optimize your growth strategy, let's first talk about identifying your ideal customer profile, aka your ICP. The ideal customer profile, or ICP, is a customer segment that matches your offer. It is not a real person, but rather a synthesis of the characteristics, needs, preferences, and behaviors of your most valuable market segment. In order to define who your ICP is, you first need to ask yourself the following questions. What problems are your prospects trying to solve? Which of your current customers are getting the most out of your products and services, and what traits do the customers of your closest competitors share? Asking yourself these questions will allow you to get a clearer understanding of your ideal customer profile and their preferences. Your ICP is kind of like a beacon of shining light among the millions and millions of potential clients that you can have. So it is really important that you actually define your ICP well, because everything is going to be based upon that. Create a prospect list with ZELIQ. So once you have asked yourself all of these questions, you can now go ahead and start creating a prospect list using ZELIQ based on the characteristics of your ICP. ZELIQ's search database contains over 450 plus million validated leads, so it is quite a nice place to look for your ICPs. ZELIQ's LinkedIn extension. ZELIQ's LinkedIn extension is also a good way to search for and add your prospects to ZELIQ directly from LinkedIn. To use our LinkedIn extension is extremely simple as well. You just go to LinkedIn, you just click on the ZELIQ extension and select the people filter in LinkedIn. The ZELIQ extension then mirrors the LinkedIn results page, and after that you can just add people to your ZELIQ prospecting list with a single click. Segment your audience. Once you have identified your prospects, we also recommend a precise segmentation strategy to ensure you create targeted, high-impact campaigns. The aim of segmentation is to break down large generic lists into more specific segments. You can choose to segment your audience according to geographic, economic, and demographic criteria. For example, at ZELIQ, we recommend that you opt for segmentation based on the purchase intent of your personas. To segment your audiences within ZELIQ, basically all you have to do is go to My Prospects, then filter the view according to the criteria or labels assigned to your prospects, then click on Create View, and that's pretty much all. Create automated multi-channel campaigns. As a growth expert, building automated multi-channel prospecting sequences based on your segmentation is probably your favorite thing to do. All you have to do is go to Engage, Sequences, and create a new sequence. Then configure your sequence by adding targeted prospects, context tabs, personalized content with variables, and sending parameters. And finally, we need to talk about the dashboard. Once your sequences have been created and sent, the ZELIQ interface gives you access to performance analysis data for your campaigns so that you can identify what's working and what's not working. These KPIs include the number of emails you sent out, the number of contacts reached, rate of opens, clicks, replies, and bounces, number of appointments made, and much more. So there are a lot of things that you can analyze here. And now that you know both how to create your ICP and how to prospect using ZELIQ, all that is left for you to do is to sign up for our 2-week free trial using the link in the description box down below. Thank you for watching, happy prospecting, and see you in the next one. Bye!